everybody, I'm going to do a yellow lipstick video for you today. It's been really hard to find a yellow lipstick. I know I keep saying that in my videos, but I'm kind of choosing the hardest lipsticks to come by first to swatch for you. I'm a color collector. I like to have every single color that's available, especially lipstick and eyeshadow. So here we go with the first one. This first one is from Hard Candy. Apparently these are discontinued, but I did get this on Amazon, and it's called Fierce Effects. The color is called Sunshine. They can break in the tube, so be careful, but it's pretty opaque. You know, it lasts as long as you'd expect a bullet lipstick to last, but it's a nice, pretty light yellow, and it's really a true yellow. The next one is from J.cat. It's called Pout, Holic. I forgot to mention that Hard Candy is cruelty-free, and so is J.cat. It's called Wow or Woman Crush Wednesday. These are a little off, but the color's amazing. It's really right in the middle, bright yellow. Very impressive. It's actually very comfortable. It kind of smells like mint, just a teensy bit, so it's kind of nice to apply. Again, it only lasts as long as you'd expect for a bullet lipstick, but it does its job, and it is a solid yellow. A note about this, I did try getting a Nyx Pastel Lippie's lipstick in Citron, because I thought it was going to be a light yellow, but it was actually exactly like this. So if you're wondering about the Nyx Pastel Lippies, it wasn't pastel yellow, it was this kind of yellow. The next one I'm not a fan of, but it was on Amazon, and you may see it whenever I look up yellow lipsticks. This one comes up. Sorry about my nails, guys. This is just the kind of person I am. It's Vibely. I don't know much about this brand. It has to have been cruelty-free because I was checking on that. But it says it's an ultra smooth matte lip gloss, and you can't be matte and glossy at the same time. It smells like banana, which is kind of fun. It's a doe foot, obviously, and it's almost good. It's almost good. It's just very sheer, and you can't reapply it on your lips. Like, you can't do a second coat. So this one really is kind of a dud, but I wanted to show it because it is on Amazon, like kind of featured. So I would not recommend this particular lipstick. It doesn't have a name, it's just number 17. So I think there's a language barrier going on here with this one. But even though the color's pretty, I can't wear it. This is from We Makeup. It says .it because these are straight from Italy. There was a YouTuber, I will try to link the video if I can, who does a lot of lip art, and she recommended these in her yellow swatch videos. It's called Ever Liquid Lipstick. The color is called Cuzco Daffodil. I love it. It is a solid opaque yellow, lighter yellow. It dries matte really fast. The doe foot is a little hard for me to work with because I have some lip line wrinkles, but oh my gosh, that color, you can't get better than that. It's bright, it's opaque, it's gorgeous. So highly recommend this. Again, it's We Makeup. Everything will be listed below. I want to get more of these for sure. It didn't take long to get here either. The next one is kind of weird. It's advertised on Amazon as yellow, but it looks like a mustard yellow. You'll have to decide what you think this color is. I see more of a light orange here. Again, it's listed as yellow. I needed a mustard yellow, so I'm not mad. But I kind of like, despite what the color looks like in the tube, which is clear, so it's the actual same liquid, I see orange here. So, and these are $5. They're actually not bad. It's called 7V Home Beauty. Again, it doesn't have a name, it just says it's yellow, and it says it's number 727. I do like these though. They crack easily, you know, if you're talking a lot or eating. But they're a thick matte lipstick and they dry down quickly. I don't know. Let me know what you think this color is. I'm gonna try to make it work as a mustard yellow. And then this is another one that showed up on Amazon for me when I looked for yellow lipsticks. It did say in the description that it was orange. On the Amazon page, it looks mustardy yellow. It's called Apocalyptic Beauty. This is the color that I don't know how to say. Samhain? It was listed as goth. It's very, very thin. It's more of a, I don't know, it's like a stain or something. And it's very orange. You know, it looks yellow on the site. Looks definitely orange when you're swatching it with yellows. But if you look up yellow lipsticks, it comes up. So unfortunately, I wouldn't recommend this one either. It's just very thin and not very pigmented. Yellows are really hard to formulate apparently, so I'm a little forgiving with this one, and I don't mind this orange. But it's very subtle and it's very thin. The next one I have a whole video about. This is the Wet n Wild Color Icon Multi-Sticks. Obviously I've used this one and squished it in the cap a little bit. I'm going into the more gold colors, the gold yellows. I love these things. They twist up. They're very versatile. And this is just a beautiful solid gold, and you can use it as an eyeshadow, you can use it as a lipstick. I have all of these Wet n Wild multi-sticks swatched in another video, and I'll link that. Highly recommend these. They're a little drying on the lips, but they're wonderful. I love these guys. Next is also from Wet n Wild. It's called a Perfect Pout lip color. It's a very thin size, which I kind of like. It allows you to be precise, and it is another just solid gold from Wet n Wild. This was under $5, I believe. I mean, just unbelievable color payoff for that. It's great. They have a couple other odd colors too. There's a dark blue, some oranges. I want to get more. And finally, the last one is from Revlon. Revlon is not cruelty-free. All of these others are cruelty-free. There's no reason that Revlon can't go cruelty-free. It's a super lustrous pearl lipstick called Gold Goddess. It's just kind of a sheer sheen of gold. It looks a lot darker in the swatch than it does on your lips. It just kind of gives you a metallic sheen. It's not truly yellow or gold, even though like the sticker kind of makes it look opaque. So you can see there I have at least 3 really good yellows with these 3. So there are 9 yellow or yellowish lipsticks that are out there. All of these were affordable. I think the most expensive one might have been the Revlon. I don't remember the Vibely one. The Revlon, the Vibely, and the We Makeup was on sale for like $10 plus shipping from Italy, but I got 2, so I like got a little discount. But yeah, there you have my yellow lipstick collection. I know some of these lean orange. I'm going to do an orange lipstick collection as well. But if you're looking for affordable yellows, here's some right here. I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll talk to you soon. Hi everybody, thanks for watching. Oh, I don't want to say that there. I'm in a bad mood right now, and I'm worried and overwhelmed. This first one is from Fierce. I'm sorry. This next one is really cool. Oops, it's dirty. This was a. Oh my gosh, it's really dirty. What did I do? But you'll have to decide what you think about. Oh, that's the thing. It looks yellow on the. It looks mustardy yellow on the web. On the. Same thing with this one, although I put it on a little. This one dries down quickly too, but I put it on a little thick, so it kind of looks weird. Hold on. Sorry, my roommates are like yelling. these guys. I love these, I don't know. I love these things. They're not a lipstick, necessarily. They can be. Next is also from Wet n Wild. Oop, I dropped it. So anyway, let's see. There's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Orange. I don't know why I'm going over this again, but... So anyway,